Hello. Hey, this is a follow up on a new week. Show you my plays here. And the first time I ever did is I did a covered call. You can probably look it up on YouTube, a covered call where you own the shares and you sell calls. But I have this I have a free money play again here. I'm going to go down from the very beginning here on my list here. I'm just going to make sure the sound works first here. Let's see. Testing, test. Testing, test. Okay, I confirm that we have sound and everything. All right, let's continue here. I have a play on gold. The future contracts on gold here. I'm currently making $55 profit, but I'm going to keep it because I think gold. Let's see what our play is on gold here. Here, gold. I think gold's going to stay above above 16.75 an ounce, and you see we're way down here. How much cushion we have, and the probability here. I can show you probability here. Probability out of the money. This is a not 88% chance this is going to make some money. And right now we are making money right now. We're making $55 profit on, we're making probably about 10%, 15% profit right now on return on investment. But I'm still going to wait because we have a lot of cushion, right? We have a lot of cushion here. All this gold has to drop all the way down there before I start losing any money. So I'm going to wait. My goal is to collect 50% of this. So we're at 35% right now. We're making a $50 profit. So that's one. Let's go down to RBLX. We're making money on this. Let's look at our play on the option chain here. I'm hoping it's going to stay above 69.50. It's right now it's 71. Right now I probably want to cash this in right now, so I might do a live trade, cash in at $12. Yeah, I'm going to cash it in now and see if we can do a live trade here. So you're going to buy it back for 28. And we sold it for 40, going to buy it back for 28. So let's try this. Let's do a live trade right now. And it didn't take. See if it's let it brew for a second. Let's do one more dollar up. Let's do 29. See if it takes. 29, 30. Let's see if we can make a $10 profit on this. 30. Nah, there's not enough volume here. Let's see. Let's let it for a second. See if we can catch a $10 profit here. Let's just wait for a second. See if it's gonna go or not. $30. It looks like it might hit. Let's just wait a second. Let's just keep that in the background. Let's keep going down the list here. My next play is MU. Oh yeah, MU. Actually, I have it sorted by profit, so it keeps jumping around. But MU, Micron Technologies. I have a way down here, 73 days out. That's going to stay above 82.50. And for that, this still didn't take yet. Hopefully it takes. I collected at $98. See, my goal is probably to collect more than $100 credit from now on. So I collected $98, and we have a $10 profit right now out of the 98. So that's good. Let's go on RBLX. I think let's do ES, the futures contract ES. I think it expires tomorrow. I'm hoping S&P 500 stays below 40.90, and it's right now it's 40.72. And for that play, we collected a $102 credit. So I think this is a pretty much sure bet. And then I talked to a guy, one of my friends this weekend about Coke. So I ended up doing a butterfly play on Coke because it's a non-mover, right? So what I did is I did one of these plays where I hope it's going to stay within the 53, 50, 52 range. The only thing this has to do is has to stay between here and here to price because it's a non-mover, right? So I think this is pretty much a sure bet. And this one, doing a play, we have to actually purchase this bet. So this bet costs $85, and we're currently losing $7, but we still have until Friday, which I think the price will go down a little bit because if we look at the chart, look at how much it's gone up today. So I believe it should be going down with the market, at least down to here. I'm happy as long as it stays where it's at or a little bit below, we're good. And this is one new bet. I actually have PENN, but let's go to this bet here. IDEX. This is the first time I ever did a covered call. And what's happening, this is like a sure free money play. Because we lose if we lose, we win if we lose, and we win if we win. It's kind of one of those deals. And I'm going to explain here. Okay, I bought 300 shares of IDEX, right? And what I did is I sold the 4, and I sold. So, I sold the 4 calls. So what I'm doing is essentially saying that I'm willing to sell 100 shares at $4, right? But the problem is, the good thing is that if it goes to $4, I'll make $100 a share profit. And then I have another one where I sold 2 because I have 300 shares, right? So I sold 2 calls at $4.50. So if IDEX goes up to $4.50 on the stock purchase, we would collect 100. We would collect $400 profit just on the stock price. But we would have to sell. So if the stock price goes up to $4.50, we would make about $400 profit. But we would be losing the credit. We would be losing the $148 credit that we collected. But we're still a win to win no matter what, because we're going to collect over $300 profit. So it doesn't matter. This is a free money play. Like I said, there's ways you can make. There's free money. The only way you can probably lose money is if it goes way above $4.50. But even then, you're gonna make profit on the share price, but you're gonna be losing on the calls, right? But your profit on the share price is gonna outweigh the loss on the call sales. So, anyways, I don't want to be too confusing. This is a like 100% free money play, but it's more of an advanced play. This is the first time I ever bought the shares to cover the calls. So this is free money. All right, go to the next bit. I did Coke already, right? Yeah. Let's go on ZW, which is wheat. I want wheat to stay above 600 and at 613. I collected $168 credit. This has 45 days out, but I'm not going to wait 45 days. I have an oil play that I'm losing on, but I still have 9 days left. So I might cash this out. I might dump this because right now we're losing $100 right now because we collected 100 and we're losing 200. So we're net negative $100. But we still have 9 days. We can see if oil pops up to 61.50. So possibly anything can happen in 9 days. So I'm going to keep this. Yeah. Or what I can do is mitigate the bet. And what I can do is I can make another play on the same chain here and saying that it's going to stay below this amount. So let's go here, here. Ooh, that's a good bet. Hoping it's going to stay below 63. Let's go out a little bit here. I want to collect $100 there. So this is a good one right here. It costs too much though, $1,000. So let's go in. So this is a tight spot right here. So I'm not sure if I want to make the bet or not. Because it has to stay between here and here. So that's kind of a short. So let me see if I bring it out a little bit. It's only $80. Well, I have to put up $1,000 though. Yeah. Let's see, $80 credit. Maybe I want to do that just to protect this. Just in case this is loses, I can get some money back. So what I'm going to do is try to sell out here somewhere and collect some money back. 80. Yeah. So oil's going to stay below 64. Let's see if we can make another bet. Right there, 64. Let's look at the chart. 64. I don't think it's going to go above 64. Unless something major happens. I don't think it's going to go to 64 anytime soon, so let's make the bet. Collect at least $80 back. Just in case we lose on this one, we can collect some money back. So let's do that. 80. Yeah, let's see if we can do it. Okay, we got $80 back. All right. And then natural gas, we're losing pretty big on that one, but we still have 21 days out. And we want natural gas to stay above 250. And we're still safe right now, but we have 21 days. So the only new strategy that I employed this week is doing a covered call. It's called a covered call. Is when you own the shares and you sell calls against it. And this is the IDEX one here. I bought 300 shares. I sold one call at 4, sold 2 calls at 450. And this is a no-brainer. Well, nothing's 100%, but it's over 90%, 95%, I believe. Actually, let's look at the odds right now. Let's look at these odds. 81% and 78%. So, all right, that's my bet. We're at 44, but we have a lot of money in collateral, so this is theoretically more than 5,000, and we still have $700 to play with in options, and then we can actually use 14 double our because I have a margin, so I think if you're over $1,500, you double your on the margin, you double your capital to make stocks purchases. But I'm gonna keep this in reserve in case I see something pop or drop today. So that's basically my overall See, I have two for I have about 10 to 15 plays at any one time, and I'm continuously rolling my plays here. And what I did is on Robinhood, I bought some Dogecoin, and I bought about $1,000 worth. And what I end up doing is selling it for $25 profit. And what I do is just do that, see $24 profit, and I bought $1,999 worth, and I sold it and got a $24 profit. So, and what I do is occasionally just look at Dogecoin or whatever's popping or dropping this day. See right now, see it popped up there. I probably want to wait till it goes down a little bit, and then just do a wash, rinse, and repeat. I think I probably made two to three to $400 profit on Dogecoin the last couple months. So, and every bet, I think every bet except one bet I lost on Dogecoin. Other than that, I win every single time because I wait till it drops way down. I wait see one of these big spikes. I wait till it goes down and then buy it on the dip. And if you look at my post on Facebook, I bought the dip and I made a $24 profit. So that's it for now. I might cash this in today just to free up some collateral. Might cash, yeah, the gold play, but I'm gonna wait. Anyways, the big deal is IDEX. This is the first time I did cover calls where it's essentially no way to lose. There's no way to lose. There's no way to lose on this bet. No way to lose. All right, bye.